Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change Indeed language. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one first. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change the language in Indeed app, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner, tap on it. Once you're on your profile page, here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner, tap on it. Now over here, you can see the country and language option. Select this option. Here you'll find the list of country and language spoken in that country. So you can go through it and choose the language or country that you want to change to. For example, if I want to change the language of this app to Spanish, I will need to find Spain first. So look for Spain. Here you can see Spain option, tap on it, and it will give you the option of available language in that country. Here it says Spanish, which means Spanish language. So if you want to change it to Spanish language, you can select this option. And there you go, the language of this Indeed app has been changed to Spanish from English. You can change it to any language that you want. Just find the country and select the language. So that's it. That's how you can change the language in your Indeed app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.